This is the AI News Flash for May 28th, 10 a.m. UTC. First up, in an exclusive CNBC interview, Mistral AI CEO Arthur Mensch officially announced plans to explore designing the company's own custom AI semiconductor chips. Europe's leading frontier AI model company, Mistral AI, has begun serious consideration of custom silicon design for AI data centers, aiming to reduce dependency on NVIDIA GPUs. This marks a decisive moment in AI infrastructure development. Simultaneously, a Wall Street Journal exclusive report reveals that Mistral AI is fully committing to a superintelligence AGI development path to counter US-led AI dominance. Combined with the launch of their new Vibe Agent product, this represents a vertical integration strategy from frontier model development to semiconductor design as the core of Europe's AI sovereignty strategy. Against the backdrop of US-led AI chip insourcing trends from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, and xAI, Mistral AI's European AI sovereignty strategy positions this as the most important milestone for 2026 European AI strategy. Second story, according to an exclusive Reuters report, Chinese government officials are working on developing an AI token futures market, sources confirmed. This marks a decisive moment in the US-China AI financialization race. The Chinese AI token futures market would be the world's first attempt to financialize AI compute capacity and AI model inference capabilities. This includes futures trading of AI-related computing resources, securitization of AI model usage rights, and financial product creation from AI training data, representing a strategic effort to financialize the AI economy. This is a symbolic example of China building independent AI financial infrastructure to counter U.S. market moves, including the CME Group AI Compute Futures Launch and CBOE Options Exchange AI Index concepts. The structural divergence between U.S. and China continues during this decisive AI economy formation phase. As an extension of President Xi Jinping's 15th five-year plan AI technology self-reliance strategy, China's AI financialization strategy is positioned as the most important turning point for AI economy financialization in 2026, adding a new dimension to US-China AI geopolitical competition. Third story, in an exclusive Bloomberg interview, NVIDIA AI server giant WiWynn officially warned that AI infrastructure supply bottlenecks are now expanding beyond memory chips. This represents the decisive arrival of structural AI supply chain constraints. WiWynn executives stress that current AI infrastructure supply constraints are no longer limited to HBM memory issues, but have expanded to AI server rack assembly capacity, power supply infrastructure, cooling systems, networking equipment, and the entire supply chain, indicating structural problems. Under the hyperscaler Ford company combined $725 billion capex boom in 2026 and the urgent need to address AI semiconductor manufacturing capacity constraints against the backdrop of Samsung Electronics' record $110 trillion $82 billion annual investment and SK Hynix's HBM4 mass production acceleration structural supply capacity bottlenecks in the AI infrastructure's second phase have become evident. Against the backdrop of NVIDIA GTC 2026 Feynman architecture, first silicon photonics adoption, Vera Rubin GPU mass production acceleration, and TSMC's overwhelming structural advantage, structural challenges in the entire AI infrastructure supply chain become the next focal point. This positions as the most important AI supply chain milestone for 2026. Fourth story, according to City and State New York report, New York State's Empire AI initiative is making rapid progress in drug discovery. This represents a symbolic milestone for state-level AI drug discovery commercialization. Empire AI is a comprehensive AI infrastructure construction project led by New York State, bringing together major research institutions including Columbia University, Cornell University, New York University, and Rockefeller University as a collaborative research platform. Concrete results in AI drug discovery are now emerging in rapid succession. Following the trends including Tempus AI genomics cancer diagnosis, Roche's up to $1.05 billion PathAI acquisition, and Anthropic's $400 million Coefficient Bio acquisition. This state-level public AI drug discovery initiative achievements are attracting attention as a groundbreaking example during the life sciences AI commercialization phase. Amid accelerating realization of the AI drug discovery market, 2030 forecast of $25 billion, in line with the AI scientific discovery automation trends, including Google DeepMind AlphaEvolve, MIT Neurosymbolic AI, and Sakana AI's self-evolving AGI realistic paths, this state government-led AI drug discovery strategy positions as the most important turning point for U.S. state-level AI strategy in 2026. Fifth story. According to a Morningstar exclusive report, deleted disclosure information from SpaceX's IPO filing has been exposed, revealing that the company's AI infrastructure business is functioning as a major cash cow.
Pre-deletion SEC filings confirmed that AI infrastructure services based on the Starlink satellite constellation now constitute the core of SpaceX's revenue structure. This is attracting attention as a symbolic example of Musk's AI ecosystem vertical integration strategy.
With SpaceX's record-breaking $1.75 trillion valuation IPO targeting June NASDAQ listing for a $50 billion raise, AI business value components including xAI integration strategy, Colossus AI supercomputer expansion, and Grok AI inference infrastructure become the most important evaluation points for institutional investors. Under the 2026 three-way AI industry IPO competition with OpenAI approaching $1 trillion valuation and Anthropic at $380 billion, SpaceX's full-scale AI infrastructure vertical integration strategy monetization positions as the most important IPO milestone for 2026 AI investment themes. That's all for this AI news flash.